First, we have to do this division. 70 divided by 7 over 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 10. Okay, 70 times 10 over 7, then times 10. First we do this multiplication. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1, and 70 divided by 7 is just 10. So here we have just 10 times 10, which equals 100. So we have 100 times 10, which gives us 1000. And this is our final answer to this problem. 1000. And this answer is correct because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. So this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this multiplication, then this division, you'll get the wrong answer. Like this. First this multiplication, we can easily cancel this 10 and this 10, so here we have just 7. So 70 divided by 7 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct. And our correct answer is 1000.